In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood of your Honda Pilot. This works with many different Pilot generation, not only the first one like this is. You're gonna go in the driver's footwell, and on the left side, this is the latch that you need to pull, okay? You're simply gonna put your fingers under, okay? You're gonna pull it completely. You can even pull it twice just to make sure that it has unlatched the hood. Then if you go on the front over here, the hood will be able to lift slightly, just enough so you glide your fingers under. And it's a bit hard to see, but if you go on the left side of the Honda logo, you even have a small notch to guide you. You're gonna find a latch that you need to push up to unlock fully the hood. So I'm pushing on it, and at the same time I'm lifting the hood. Okay, this is the latch. Okay, glide your fingers, push up. Now you have access to the engine bay. Now you may have a prop rod. This car has one, but it's broken. Anyway, once you put the prop rod, try to attach it in these over here, and it will stay open. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.